Good evening, everybody. Thank you for joining. As you can see, something really interesting is going to happen in North Carolina and South Carolina and Virginia in just a couple days. There's going to be a major snowstorm in some areas. Some areas here, they're expecting up to 20 inches of snow here. Look at that. Well into the 20s. 2 feet is possible. Some of the other models are predicting up to 4 feet as well. Up to 3 to 4 feet. Currently, the snowfall is not that extreme on some of the models, but some of them are very, very extreme. So this is the GFS right now. The GFS model is forecasting, look at this, look at those dark colors, well up to in the 20-inch range. Well into the 20s. And the GFS, the FV3 GFS, which is a 3-hour, look at this. Look at these snowfall rates, well into the mid to upper 20s, just all across North Carolina, even up to the coast possibly. Yet areas north of there, nothing, no snow at all. This is going to be a major snowstorm for them. And they're, like right now, Raleigh's under a winter storm warning. Not just for snow, but for freezing rain as well. This is extreme. There's going to be some extremely bad weather conditions. And I mean like freezing rain. There's going to be some extreme amounts of some freezing rain. Look at this. I don't know if yeah, it's not showing here, but look at this here. Look at those snowfall, 28 inches. Look at this, just look at that. And that's heavy, wet snow. And look at how much freezing rain they're forecasting from the storm. There's a bit of a clipper system coming through now, but look at this event. Look at all the freezing rain that's just going to come down. These freezing rain, sleet right here. Freezing rain accumulation. I mean, just look at this. Look at this right here. I mean, look at this. Up to 1 and 6/8 accumulation of freezing rain. This is extremely heavy. 1.64 inches of freezing rain. This is going to be extreme. Snowfall. This model is not as extreme on the snowfall, obviously, but still showing a good amount. And let's look at the SREF. The SREF is something I very much trust when it comes to snowfall. Huh. Okay, that is something else, because the SREF models are showing it going up to the northeast. Alright, that is something I did not anticipate. The SREF models are showing a snowstorm for us now. What? Oh my god. Oh geez. 4 inches plus. Oh, let's check that. Wow, wow. Okay, that's something I did not anticipate. Okay, that is just something, but look at that there. 12 inches of more, a foot or more. Oh, definitely a chance of a foot or more there. But the fact that they're showing it going up to here, none of the other models are showing this. I think SREF is the only outlier here. Yeah, because look what the other models are showing right now. I think SREF is the only outlier here. The SREF plumes are showing it going all the way up to here. I mean, unless a storm makes a sudden left-hand turn, I don't really see that happening here. I mean, I'm not expecting a snowstorm here. I'm absolutely not. I mean, look, that was something I was not anticipating. I mean, and you see that. But you see how it's showing here, how it's not showing here. That's just something I'm not anticipating right now. right. So my forecast for North Carolina is between 18 and 24 inches in some areas. Charlotte, I think. They should already be issuing warnings or advisories. Yep, winter storm watch. And look what they're forecasting. I think 12 to 18 inches of snow. 3 to 11 inches with a glaze of ice. Alrighty. Alrighty. Looks like the worst hit area will be well north of Charlotte, in the middle of North Carolina. So I'm going to anticipate that that's going to be the west central part of North Carolina, and that looks to be the Wilkesboro area of North Carolina. Looks to be the Wilkesboro area of North Carolina. And let's see what they're forecasting for them, because that's where most of the models are forecasting the most snow. 8 to 16 inches, definitely likely. Yep, locally higher amounts possible. Definitely, yeah. So my forecast calls for 18 to 24 for central North Carolina. Less accumulation going further east. Well, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.